Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, click to start, open any browser. So need to update the latest driver, and in the type the Google search box AMD driver, download latest. Okay, type AMD driver download. Okay, and then hit enter. After it, first link to click driver supported process graphic card. And if you know the product name, your model number, okay, so you can search here. Otherwise you don't know, so no worry about that, because of the AMD by default driver you can see here. Okay, so just download this driver and it will start downloading. You can see in the progress, and if you are using the different graphic card, so you can download a driver. Okay, because of these issues, need update the drivers. Okay, so it is completed, and after that it will show, just single click to open. After that it will scan, it will detect the required update driver and just click on it and then install, and after that restart. Okay, so this system will be run like this. Okay, then next method, next to complete, like you are getting this issue, so try in your, you have this graphic card, so never receive this error. Okay, so next method, click to start and type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator. So type this command, is very important for your systems. Okay, and then hit enter. So it will start some percentage, it will take some time, depend about your internet your system performance. But when it is completed 100%, then try to next command. Okay, then next second command, sfc space less scan now, and then hit enter. So also it will start the percentage, and it will repair your system files. Okay, sometime what happened, sometime windows file, windows required file, windows style file corrupted, so that we're getting issue, so need to recover and restore. So this command use most of this. Then restart your system and please check it. Thank you.